This 8-in-1 electronic cleaning brush has so much power. It has helped me so much in saving some pretty really gross, grimy showers. Now, it does come with the cleaning spin brush itself. It also comes with an extendable handle that is great for doing like up shower walls or harder to reach places. I am a shorty, and so that has really helped me. It also comes with several different brushes. It comes with a big scrub brush that I normally use to like get the showers with. It also comes with like a scouring sponge, some softer brushes, and some smaller little brushes that have like a point at the end that can really get into grooves, like grout grooves into showers and all of that. Now, I absolutely love that this thing is rechargeable. Nobody wants to be in a cleaning mood and not have batteries for something. And then by the time you go to the store, buy the batteries and come home, the cleaning mood is gone. So just keep this thing charged. One charge did last me quite a while. You can see you just plug it into the front there and to charge it. And then it does have a battery indicator light on the front so you know when it is fully charged. As far as attaching the brush heads and changing them, it is very easy to use, which is another great feature that I love about it. You've got this front that just kind of spins around, and you just push and click the brush on the front, and then of course you just pull it. It takes a little bit of force to pull it. You just pull it off. Now, as far as cleaning goes, you just spray your favorite cleaner. Here I am cleaning a gross, grimy shower, and you can see I'm not really pressing down or putting much force on it. It does not require a lot of effort from you. You just kind of hold it. It's got enough power that the spin brush itself just spinning around, getting in all of those grooves, cleaning all that dirt and grime in those really hard to get places. And then you can see the floor of this shower was pretty really gross and grimy, and then what we ended up with. So it does do a pretty good job at getting grease, grime, and dirt out.